Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
All right, here we go. Day 2 of 30 Days of Questions. Are John Deere riding lawnmowers made by MTD? Go.
That is an awesome question. I've been wanting to answer this question for so long. This has been a debate, a huge fight on the internet for years and years and years. I don't take somebody's word for it when I read something. So guess what I did? I emailed both companies. I went straight to the horse's mouth. Now, I'm not talking about the dealerships. I'm talking about straight to the actual corporations themselves, to the service departments. I asked them both the exact same question, copy and pasted it. I got an instantly, almost like within a day, I got an awesome professional reply on an email from John Deere. And they said, no, we are a completely different company. MTD does not make our riding lawnmowers for us. Took about 2 weeks for MTD to get back to me with not quite as a professional email back. One sentence long from MTD: no, we do not build John Deere riding lawnmowers. And you got to give them credit for being short and sweet. At least they answered the question. If you don't believe that still, then you are pretty much saying that two gigantic multi-gazillion dollar companies just lied right to my face. So I think that's good enough. Did I at least answer the question clearly? Was it clear?
It was clear.
Excellent.
All right. So hopefully you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned for day 3 of our 30 Days of Questions. And like I said before, if you missed the previous questions, you can always find it in the description below, or you could just head back to the channel and find it in our playlist or on our homepage. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss the notifications for the upcoming videos. And that's our question for day 2. April and Steve out.